Updated pool home on the Palms Golf Course with breathtaking views, priced for today's market. Nestled in the highly sought-after deed-restricted community of Rotonda West, this beautifully updated home offers an expansive open floor plan with stunning views of the Palms Golf Course. Featuring a newer roof, this property combines modern updates with exceptional convenience. The spacious layout includes both a formal living room and a cozy family room, with a sleek and upgraded kitchen boasting granite countertops, wood cabinetry, and a functional island with a perfect blend of wood and granite finishes. The home is being sold mostly furnished, ready for immediate enjoyment. Recent improvements include a brand new pool cage, 2024, and a resurfaced pool, March 2025, ensuring years of relaxation and entertainment. Impact-resistant glass windows provide peace of mind and energy efficiency throughout. 2 sets of pocket sliders lead to a massive lanai that overlooks the pool and golf course, creating the perfect indoor-outdoor flow. The master suite also features its own pocket slider, granting effortless access to the lanai and pool area. With wall-to-wall tile throughout, a full pool bath, and generously sized bedrooms complete with walk-in closets, comfort and style are found in every corner of this home. Located on the desirable west side of Rotonda, you'll enjoy quick access to the pristine beaches of Boca Grande, Minnesota Key, and Inglewood, as well as the historic charm of Dearborn Street. Shopping, medical facilities, churches, boat ramps, parks, and local attractions are all just a short drive away. This home offers the perfect